I did not start a video from the beginning because I was not expecting that this would be so difficult. But wiring a rear dash cam through a Honda Civic Type R. Originally, I had the wire go from that front camera and then through the headliner. I just stuffed all the extra wire in here, ran it through the headliner, cut a little slit, and had it run to the camera. But I didn't like that when it closed, you could see it in your rear view mirror. I thought it was kind of tacky. So, you have to pop this panel off here, 4 little clips. Not sure that it matters the order, but I went 1, 2, 3, 4. So, my particular camera comes apart right here. So I took this end and I started here and I fed it up through here. This doesn't go directly down, it's kind of angled. Most difficult part I found was getting it through this, and I don't want to take it off again, but you run this little part up through here. I taped it to a zip tie, ran the zip tie through here, and as I was pulling on the zip tie, I was kind of shimmying this rubber down to make it easier to pull it up. And then I took a bigger zip tie that went from here to here, taped this part to a new zip tie, and fed it through. But right around here, it's really easy to get it stuck, and if you just take the zip tie and pull straight through, there's a good chance that you'll snag right here, which is actually what I did the first time around. Say hello to my wire. So I got a new wire, kind of started over because I was a dumbass, and initially I tried to feed that through here, not even realizing that it came apart here. So don't make that same mistake. So when I was feeding it through with the zip tie, I kind of lifted up on both ends, and you could get your finger about right here, and I pushed it up and then pulled it through, and it went through quite easily. So I'm just going to take the rest of the wire and hide it through the headliner this way, and put this back on, feed this wire through the top of the panel, and we're good to go. And that hides the wire a lot better than running it through the headliner here.